So hi guys, I'm Madhur Agarwal. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Enligence Technologies. And thank you for the time today. So let me introduce you to our solution, which is the automated talent screening and hiring accelerator. So we believe that HR teams and TA teams deserve faster and more efficient tools for finding and hiring the right talent. Right now, what we see is that over 90% of the candidates are rejected based on keyword screening, where not even a single discussion has happened with them. On an average, the every single application would get somewhere around 200 to 250 different applicants, 90% rejected without even a single discussion. Our mission is to change that. We want to transform the whole recruiting process by using innovative technology that enables fast, reliable, and an unbiased assessment of the applicant skills. And we are changing the whole dynamics of how companies hire by making access to the entire talent pool a lot easier and give them summaries that they can consume in a more condensed form rather than going through the whole applicant's resume as well. So in terms of our team, right now we are a small team of two. Abhinav is the founder and CTO. He brings with him over 15 years of experience in research in academia in AI, ML, data visualization, and product development, while I'm taking on the job of the CEO and co-founder, and I bring with me over a decade of experience in sales and marketing. We also have an advisory board with over 50 years of cumulative experience in innovative applications of technology and a very strong IIT and IIM alumnus and contacts over there as well. So to give you a little bit of the background, Abhinav started building the solution back in 2017 for his students. The problem he saw was that his students were not getting the right kind of job opportunities because there were poor conversational skills. When trying to go for the interviews or job applications, they were not able to crack the job interview. So he started building the solution with the thought process that this is going to help students to prepare for the interviews and do better and get the jobs as well. Over the years, and what he ended up building is a very solid, powerful, a robust ASR and an NLP engine that evaluates the candidates, understands what the candidates' current skills are, and then gives them feedback so that they can work on the areas of improvement. So that was the actual inception of the product. Some of the key findings were ran over 17,000 plus candidate interviews, got a very good accuracy of 98.5%. We still have the white papers pending. We are working on them. And we have over 1,000 active users right now as well who are using the solution. So it is scalable, it's unbiased, it's highly accurate, and we have also applied for our patents. So we're just waiting for the patents to come in. So let's look at the problem from this side now. Recruiting is hiring. It takes time. It's a very costly business. In case the talent mismatching happens, that happens quite often. It costs companies about 6 to 9 months of the person's salary as well. And then, of course, this whole screening process is a little biased based on who's available at what time. Everybody oversells their resume, and the whole process of screening candidates is based on resumes right now. So the right candidates sometimes miss out to even get the call who is a better fit for the job as well. So the current cycle, and I'm just going to run through this very quickly. So the moment the candidate hits on the apply button, it takes somewhere around 2 to 14 days for the applicant to actually have a conversation with the person who's going to hire or is going to make a decision. The first rounds are usually with the HR folks who are trying to screen the candidates on how soon the candidate is available. Is it from the same city? They have the right communication skills and things like that. And then the leakages in the entire process, for example, 80% rejection rate just because of the keywords, another 10% rejection rate because of the human bias, the HR folks is not available, the candidate is not available to take the call, the work timings are different and things like that. And then after that, the whole process is quite manual in terms of updating the ATS, HRMSs as well. With our solution, this will take the candidate just a few hours to actually go from click on the apply button, go and schedule a second level discussion with the hiring manager so that the whole process is streamlined. And on the hiring side, what they would see is a leaderboard where they can see what is the best talent and they can engage with the talent in a deeper discussion as well. And this is available on demand. It is available 24/7. There is no human element involved in screening the candidate. So even if the candidate is available, let's say at 2 a.m. in the night, the candidate can screen themselves and then submit the results as well. So the entire onus over here is actually on the candidates, and it's fast, it's fair, and it gives out very condensed summaries that are built by.